Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Greenlane Holdings. It seems they're trying to stay afloat in a sea of red numbers, so let's see if they can pull off a miracle or if they need a life raft. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we talk about all sorts of companies and filings. Come join the discussion. Greenlane Holdings just released a Form 8K, a current report that companies file to announce major events. The most recent event they're reporting on happened at the end of May in 2025. So let's see what they were up to. The first, they're letting everyone know about a press release they put out. This press release, dated June 2nd, 2025, likely contains some information the company wants the public to know. But the important part is that by including it here, they are following the rules and making sure everyone has access to the same information at the same time. It's a way of keeping things fair and transparent for investors. This press release itself isn't actually filed in the same way as the rest of the report. This means that if there's something misleading in the press release, it doesn't automatically make the entire filing illegal. It's up tier, but the big news is that Greenlane received some extra time from Nasdaq to get their stock price back up. They have until June 16th of 2025. If the stock price doesn't reach at least $1 per share, they risk being kicked off the Nasdaq stock exchange. Being delisted from Nasdaq can make it harder for a company to raise money and can lower investor confidence, which usually causes the stock price to drop even further till it's quickly skimmed the provided exhibits to see if anything else of importance is provided. Alright, that was a quick look into Greenlane Holdings' most recent filing. Duck expect and think about what this all means. It looks like Greenlane is facing some challenges. The company is struggling to keep its stock price above the minimum required by Nasdaq. This situation puts Greenlane in a tough spot, as being delisted from a major exchange can create a downward spiral for the company. It makes it harder to attract new investors, which in turn can further depress the stock price. However, the fact that Nasdaq granted them an extension suggests that there might be some hope. It indicates that Nasdaq sees potential for Greenlane to turn things around. The company needs to use this time wisely and take decisive action to boost its stock price and restore investor confidence. They might need to come up with new products, cut costs, or even seek out a merger or acquisition to stabilize their financial situation. Ultimately, the company's future hangs in the balance, and their next steps will be crucial in determining whether they can successfully navigate these challenges and remain a viable player in the market. Alright, that's our breakdown of Greenlane Holdings' latest filing. What's your take on these events and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching, see you next time.